A few moments later. $2,000 later. One eternity later.
So matter about them slow Barclays and this and that and cake and get. Cartel get cake. Master get cake. When the vendor boss going on Barclay, a key we get.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop! And me gonna lift up the vendetta them. And lift up the crooks them. And then get fully active and corrupt like Uno. And Uno have a problem. Look up.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Genocide. Vendetta. The man them say a mimic gonna get corrupt dog. Jesus, please. This like no man. No man. Uno fight Alkaline till uno blue. And Alkaline still come turn giant pa uno. And no.
You did who? All of them a call up me name forget the eye. Me nah give them no eye. They going dead for hungry.
You don't know what you truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So Vendetta boss represent fully.
One, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah man, but people, you know about thing go on in media, but you don't know Alkaline really run on the cloud, him not really. Him just do the work and get out of there. You don't know Alkaline shell down French Guiana. You understand? Yeah man, me have some little clippings that can there for the people them see what go on. You don't know Alkaline just a focus on the work and the music. Him not really in the bagger drama and them thing that with them in. You understand? Yeah man, that's why them not rate him. You see it cause him just state himself and put in the work. You see it cause enough of them just want a bag of friend and can drain the energy and bag of things. So I could go in that video.
What is up to me? I am not sitting down. What you want to be understood? This is not creation of my crowd. I say, make it so easy. You can't say she's so left. Hey, to me and one copy, remember me and two. So we can't back one can. If you do one, set me and the people I say it's stupid. But one.
Yeah man, we're there for the music, there for the culture, there for perform for the people. You see me? Yeah man. I don't know what things. That's just Alkaline thing, is it? That's a regular thing. Yeah man. But with the clout and them little thing, the chase clout, and just put in the work. You see me? Yeah man.
1, 2, 3, you can't take it too late. I was like, what sometimes you say now? I don't jump. Why tell them? Look, what do you want to be said? I come up when I get on the air, we talk about the life. All right then, everybody was up on the bay. We can't be able to do that thing. And we have to get to play every day. Give me a signal. They don't know what they're talking about. I can't. You want to be safe? I am telling you.
Mad thing.
Everybody's on the day. We can't be one of nothing. And we come. We have to get some like every day. Give me a signal. Everyone say something like this today. I can't. You want to be silent? I am telling you.
Yeah man, a mad thing man. You see me? You don't know Alkaline got to work already. You see it, put in the work, a bag of thing. Yeah man, a mad thing man. You see me, as me tell you, when I saw Alkaline move already, him not too in the media and all of them little thing there. And that's why when the youth do interviews and these things, them crash out because when them want the youth for say, them not gonna say it. You see me? But them not understand say, bro, we're there for the music and music make you know the artist them. We don't want to hear some drama and a bag of name a call up in an interview and them little thing there. Brother, them thing they don't make no sense, me G. You understand? Them think they are waste of time. Them only a give some man some energy and call up name and bag of thing. Alkaline no run down cloud, bro. You understand? Yeah man, him just do the work, focus on the music. You see it? Yeah man. Remember say your music a go live on, not you know. People, Alkaline have a song named Powa. Yo, we sang bad, you know. Me just say DJ I enjoy song, you know. Listen what I go on.
DJ Solid. Hey yo, this is DJ gonna be repping for DJ Solid. Straight out of Jamaica. Y'all make some noise for my DJ right back. Make the blood clot tell them this.
Mad thing. Yo. Yo, man, enjoy yourself, you freak people. Yo, dog. Mad thing. You see that song, yeah? You see, sometimes Alkaline always trick them, you know. Alkaline have them song you put on a long time, and the man just say, yo, we just have drop them, yeah. You see me? I just that give the fans and make sure the fans them have music for deal with, and them a do that bag of thing. Because Alkaline have a lot of things that fall. Remember the app not drop yet, you know. You understand? Yeah man, Punani Powa, you know, Punani Powa. Yeah man, the song tough man, me I tell the people. You see? Yeah man, a mad thing people. Yo, man, I tell you, say, man, I enjoy your freak. Yeah, man. So, people, you don't know this Alkaline at Barclays Center. You get the drone view. You understand? A greatness. You see me? Yeah, man. So, people, I will show you the ear drone. Show you what I go on at Barclays Center with Alkaline. You see me? History. The youngest dancehall artist do this. You see me? And, you know, we have to congratulate the youth them. You see me? On the done see Massacre in there. You see me? Do him thing. And that's a young generation same way. You see it. And that's why I show you back then. It shows enough young artists couldn't forward in the business like out now, because it's like the fight for the young youths and the industry. You see me? And Alkaline come break that chain there. If you not say Gaza, if you not say Alliance or Gully or something, it's like no highlight. You see me? So the youths them come find some way Alkaline. Find the way so the youths them can see what I go on and do them own thing. You see? So I can see you on a Barclays Center for Alkaline Barclays Center. Oh yeah man. Yeah man. So ambassador go tell them what I go on, you see?
Whoosh. Many people. It's Crux man and Gaza man must celebrate. Selling out Barclays. And murder team to remember that ambassador. So matter about them slow Barclays and this and that and get. Cartel get cake. Master get cake. When you find it about going to Barclay, a key we get. And awards the most sold out show in the one night. The most turnout, the dancehall artist from out of one night that we get. Someone get.
Yeah man, you don't know put in the work. Yeah man, we execute. You don't know. I just Alkaline that the greatness the people them see it. You see it?
Cake. And I celebrate and go like Sarah. Continue to celebrate till you can't do better than that. Gaza fans and Crux fans cannot do better than that. Continue to celebrate. I see him Gaza fans push up Massacre, same bad Alkaline, and can't put 8,000 people good. Continue to celebrate, man.
I say, me shock say Gaza fan support that Massacre when back then them did not do it for try shoot up Massacre against Alkaline. Now them are this Massacre. So it go still.
Well, I want to Gaza and Crux come together and celebrate, man. Show them how to kill them, say, oh, my body's thing, no dance right now. Continue to celebrate, because then when realize Massacre can do it, when find somebody push up, like Gaza fans do. But as the brother say, when Alkaline go Barclay, big up murder. When Alkaline go Barclay, a key, and what do we get? Key, Flatbush. Some man get cake. Some man get cake for Flatbush. Nobody man. Gaza man them. crux man in my body. One vendetta. Boom. Run up now. Who said them great to greater?
Yo, everywhere me look, the Gaza fans never crash out. Remember, you know, look how much blog I don't have. Why J Progress leaving the Gaza is so much of a problem. When you say you're going to cancel me, and me say me going to sink the Gaza ship, and you say me can't do it. And me going to lift up the vendetta them, and lift up the crux them, and then get fully active and corrupt like Uno. And you have a problem? Look how long you know a Corel vendetta and a Corel genocide.
No, not long. Them did a Corel vendetta. Them never did a Corel genocide until last year. A years them a Corel vendetta. But Massacre never did get a Corel. Them did a push up Massacre against vendetta.
Remember when you tell me say, what if a man try to sink the Gaza ship and can't do it, you know? Now everywhere me look at me man a crash out. Then want J Progress dead, J Progress at this, and the batty boy J Progress. Remember when you say me are not nobody, you know? When me tell you say me go sink the Gaza ship, when you say me can't do it, so what the problem now? Why the whole of you a crash out and a blame J Progress? Me tell you already say me a name a regular blogger, when you name believe me. But see they know, every man, everybody with them grandmother, grandfather, picnic, everybody a crash out. Me tell them say the Gaza ship and I go sink. See they know? But look, imagine, me go shoot over genocide for less than 2 weeks. I don't need a problem. Me shout out the vendetta for less than a week. I don't need a problem. Me not do nothing. All me do is tell the crocodile them say a feeding time and go shoot to the Gaza sheep them in the swamp. All me do is show vendetta say the Gaza them a chat him out. I be a chat them chat. So
but we know that long time. The vendetta know that long time, brother. A years we there. You understand? A years. Vendetta there, Alkaline there and the fight. And we still make it through, see him here. We don't pay them no man. I just chat him out, them and love man mentality. You see me? Them not there for the music and culture. That's why them bring down every artist.
I shoot up the Gaza camp anytime and then we run go hide. Won't not blame me for. Remember when you say J Progress and nobody, I idiot blogger that. Batty boy that him chat too much, rare. Remember when me tell you say he's not a regular blogger in a social media. I want to say me a chat him out. Why they crashing out? You know Lando mechanic. Bro, you're a comedian, bro. Stick this up, bro. You're a comedian. Stay right this up. You come like you don't realize one thing. J Progress not friendly. Remember good. Them quick of friend you and kill you. Batty boy. Your beard full up of y'all conquer your damn pussy like dog.
Jano, bro. Jano.
Yeah, crash out. You not tell me so me can't crash sink the Gaza ship. So why problem now? What the problem now, Batty boy Lando mechanic? You not say me can't crash the Gaza ship. So what the problem? Sorry for you know. The Gaza ship don't sink. This is one of the reasons why that Gaza not have no place in a dancehall right now. You know, days of corrupting dancehall, the Gaza have corrupting dancehall and bring their badness and this in a dancehall. And them they done. Dancehall no need that. You know, go fade away. Remember good. Right now, I can go sit down and relax, you know. The crocodile them active. Me now see I need a word about the Gaza. The vendetta them active. Me now see I need a word about the Gaza. You see how you feel? All this time, we have been attacking vendetta and the crux them. And true me go there. Go make the man them know say. And me alone kick down in defense. We no attack now. We never feel attacked before. I saw it feel. Look how long we know I do in a bully people. I saw it feel. Dancehall no have no place for Gaza culture. That are back then. Dancehall we are deal with. Remember good. Genocide. Vendetta. The man them say a mimic gonna get corrupt dog. The man
We make it corrupt. Brother, not them. Remember them corrupt from man, you know. We just a defend the thing.
They say a mimic gonna get mad and make gonna get corrupt and attack the Gaza before. Why oh boy, genocide and vendetta. The Gaza man they say if I never me, uno get so corrupt dog. The man them a blame me right now. The man them a take me hear Gaza man. I rep the vendetta right now. I say vendetta. No fi take J Progress in them camp. Me hear Gaza man right now. I rep for genocide. I say genocide man they befriend me and kill me. Imagine. All along we know a tear down vendetta and genocide. And you a blogger come turn up in the middle like a sound. No can't go around him none time no matter how no try. So if no, genocide man them take what uno a say and get rid of J Progress. And vendetta man them take what uno Gaza man a say and get rid of J Progress.
To be honest, you know, we just make you go and beat, you know, bro. You understand? Because look, you know, you say you usually say Gaza, you know, you usually call out no fire artists them, you know. So what will we do, people? What will we do? If we see Gaza beat Gaza, no make them beat themselves, man. So if J Progress I do what him do, you know make him do it. I know we tell him if he do it. You understand? It? I just easier for we. You see it, I just expose.
We don't now go back to regular ball game. But here we get trick. Genocide not like Gaza. Cause we try to hold down them artists long time and sabotage them artists. Worse vendetta not like Gaza. Because from them artists boss, we not try to hold them down and want them artists give homage to man we not give them no strength in a dancehall. Wait there, Gaza fans, we no mind game fail. What we no do? We no think vendetta a idiot. We no think genocide a idiot. All it will take is for a blogger like J Progress kick down the defense and the data then get mad. And all it will take is a blogger like J Progress. If you got dash 2 of the Gaza sheep them in the swamp and the crocodile then get mad.
Jaja youth.
A bird season upon the Gaza ship sink. Me dey tell you now. Lando mechanic, come here. So you roll it Popcaan. I hear the man them this Popcaan and this Popcaan mother. And every day you walk up and down back a Popcaan like some little Batman, some little groupie. And you say Gaza and I say unruly at the same time. What kind of man you youth? You want little groupie, you know. So the little the sweets and lost dog.
Yeah man, me always see him around Popcaan and the man them a diss up. You see them man a fool and shit, brother. You know see what I go on? Cartel give him a shout out and Ray. See them money a fan out. I think I him them they say board tongue or one bugger thing.
Sweets you lost up on both sides. How can me roll with unruly? And hear the man them this Popcaan and this all mother. And hear Vice Cartel style up Popcaan on social media. And me still a say Gaza and I roll with and I rep Gaza see me and the man them this me general. And what kind of man you? Me tell them say when I some little sweetie, groupie boy. What me hear your feelings now because when Vice Cartel fall off, our massacre, our vendetta take it, you know no more lion forget. Eh? This is when I some little sweetie, groupie boy. Batty boy, you want little groupie, you know? How you? I hit me a show about uno boy. Uno can't even pick a side. And you talk about switchy. You unroll your roll. Everywhere. And the man them this Popcaan mother.
And them not say nothing. You see a fool them a clown them. You know see? A jar then can get buy out on TikTok in a one lion.
A Popcaan mother the Gaza this, you know. Popcaan mother. Vice Cartel this Popcaan brawling on social media. When Popcaan only check for Vice Cartel and I check on him health and him goodwill. I say the general Lego that. And look on you, every day you run back a Popcaan. You talk about trick me and kill me. Remember say you a groupie. You quicker to get trick and kill more than me, no you. Remember good, you know. Remember say you a groupie, you know. You're worse than some big crashes girl, you know. Remember, you know. You beat the girl them. Remember when me tell you that. One time you see, woman be groupie and I run back a artist and I run down artist every little groupie, batty boy, Lando. Remember good. Sweetie boy. Yeah man, Gaza ship sink man. You lie and them a go dry up, go look walk. That's what you go do. Every Gaza man in them feelings because they want Massacre show flop and it no flop. Massacre Barclay show never get cancelled. I don't want it to cancel. We don't want the youth thing flop and the youth thing no flop. Him sold out the Barclay and him mash up the place. And him show up Vice Cartel. Him drop an album and make the world know say Vice Cartel God and Time album a fuckery. And show you what it means to release a good dancehall album with substance and variety in it and versatility. And that hurt the whole of you. And when I big up on the chest, oh, no other artist can sort out bag clear. No other artist can do this. No other artist can do that. Vice Cartel dep on a different level. Dep on a different level. Where? The only different level Vice Cartel dep on is him left prison with a prison hype and it a bubble down.
Yeah man, they know that bubble down right now, me I tell you. Nothing of that MG. You see, we did tell them still give it a few more years and you see what go on. Until next something them a go hype up. Remember Gully and Gaza thing my run with you now, you know. You understand? I just that.
The style no come with Gaza. Then they are back in the days. Dancehall no want none of Gaza style right now. A different dancehall. You don't notice none of you them no rate Vice Cartel. None of the dancehall you them no respect Vice Cartel and not give no homage round here. Cause the youth them lock them own thing and govern them own thing. You feel like no man go on no Gaza go take beat out a belt again like one time. Every one of them dancehall artists have them own camp and I make them own money. That me I try to tell you no. Who no say chopping change the game. For the youth them used to run back as some man. You are the only group when they know they are mobile right now. Lando mechanic, the only groupie. We run back a man. Every artist here run back like you're some batty man. You fool you. Every one of the Gaza man them in them feelings. I saw no one massacre for you there. You no fight Alkaline till you no blue. And Alkaline still come to a giant power. And now you no try fight Massacre. And Massacre come to a giant power no same way. Brother, you no give up with the bad mind no man.
It's simple. The new name for bad mind a Gaza. That's why this ship sink.
Yeah, man, I just one of them thing, the man. I think Aniko via me here said that the new name for Gaza bad man. And I real thing, brother. From Vice Cartel forward out, the man them a bring down the whole of the artists them, bro. Them been a do it with Alkaline for years. And now a bag of artists, Champal, Shaggy, Busy Signal, Alkaline, whole everybody now. Maybe if right now if Massacre is still over there to rot it, me I tell you people. They maybe we in a conversation right now. Me I tell you that. Yeah. Or maybe, let me tell you, if Massacre the over the same way I never this cartel or this them, maybe when him do the Barclays Center, them would answer, yo, Massacre show better than Alkaline show. Cause you know Alkaline is standard for dancehall. Everything revolve around Alkaline. When I no cartel, Alkaline. When I no Massacre, Alkaline. Everything Alkaline does a do him own thing. You understand? Alkaline do him interview, him does a focus on the music. Everybody a call, everybody name and all of them look something there. Them man there, brother, I'm tell you from Vice Cartel for the prison, dog, a be a corruption night. It even get worse, my G. Till all the man have to put out report and all of them look at thing there. You know see what I go on, my G? 5 years ago, the industry never stay like this. Everybody a do, everybody a represent them artists. Yeah, this a artist, I do this. We see young art. If you realize right now, I be a bring down. You understand the youth, them a youth, the young generation, them a bring down the youth. Them. It sure say back then, this is why enough young youths never did get the break. Because them try for blockage the youth, them and everything. Cause social media never did it them time there. You understand the youth, them did for bow to certain artists. Forget a listening. Them not care them go studio unless them bow to them, this and that. Now the youth, them a do them own thing and them can't control it. Is a problem. You understand? Through Alkaline for the night game and never bow to Vice Cartel. Them try to pin everything when them do, say a Vice Cartel ma follow. If Alkaline they fall out and say big up Vice Cartel, them would not pin nothing. But through the youth create a bad mind and been a bad mind the youth. You understand? That me I try to tell you. And him forward out, cartel, like say a cartel I only dance. Yeah, ask a man, isn't Vice Cartel special? Isn't he special? Vice Cartel not special. I'm an artist like any other body, brother. You understand? Any other artist, I'm an artist. Anywhere I go, dancehall artist. Same way, that I'm title. So there's no difference, no special, my G. Just that some artists just love put man over them career and sink them own self. You see me? But people, big up on yourself and don't know one media facts pan you know. Represent. That is it.